Today, I will tell you about software installation before the software is installed. You need to uninstall the antivirus software that comes with your computer first. After uninstalling, then unzip the software installation package. We install the first step first. At this point, we need to reopen step 1. Let's not move on. Let's do it again. Open it again. Open it again and then continue the installation. Select Yes here. You can see that the software is now being automatically installed. In this step, you can see that there are more software icons on the computer desktop. Now, let's not do anything, just restart our computer first. These software installation interfaces are unnecessary. Let's just restart the computer now. Restart. After the computer restarts, we open the software inspection to see if the software is installed successfully. If the software is successfully installed, we can proceed to the next step of installing the software driver. like this. Our software was successfully installed. We close the software now. We can now install the driver. Connect our device and you can use it. Thanks.